If you're constantly cleaning but somehow your floors still end up dirty, also if you're cleaning and it just feels like it takes forever, now this vacuum may actually change your routine. This is actually the Dreame Z30. Let's check it out. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video we are actually going to be doing a cleaning video. I've been really busy lately with just filming and editing. I just needed something that was very powerful but also realistic. So we are actually going to be trying out the new Dreame Z30 today. I'm very excited because this cordless stick vacuum actually has a 28,000 PA suction. Also, it has up to a 90-minute runtime, and it's also cordless and convenient. So I'm very excited for this because I feel that this is all I'm going to need for my hardwood floors, for my carpet, etc. It has different attachments. So I'm going to show you guys how this thing runs and how it actually performs and the attachments that come with it and everything like that. So we're going to get started. We're going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys how everything is looking, and then we're going to start cleaning. Okay guys, so when you first open your package, you will have everything individually wrapped far as when it comes to the attachments and different ones that you can actually put on your cordless stick vacuum that's actually made by Dreame Z30. So I did like how everything was individually packed, also just packaged with care as well. So these are just some attachments that I'm showing you guys. Everything looks really, really nice. They have different attachments for you guys to use for all parts of your house, your home, and your life. So I love that. First off, let's talk about this design of this cordless stick vacuum. You guys, this design is so nice. It's very, very modern. Look at this. Like, this is super nice. So they do have the button where you can touch, and also you can go to different vacuum settings depending on your cleaning area. It's sleek, it's lightweight, and it's cordless, and it comes with several attachments depending on what you're cleaning, like I said. And one thing I did notice immediately, how it actually maneuvers. So here it is, the main attachment here, and then we're going to put an attachment at the bottom. So this is one of their attachments, which is the multi-surface cleaner. And the way that this maneuvers is absolutely amazing. Like, look how it maneuvers on this floor. So you can turn it at different angles if you would like, depending on the area that you are cleaning. So it's very flexible, and the runtime can last up to 90 minutes depending on the attachment, which is amazing for cleaning larger areas. Now this vacuum does have a 28,000 PA suction power, and you can definitely tell it basically is picking up everything almost instantly, which is amazing. That means that suction power is something serious. I also love that it has the multi-surface brush, and it is an anti-tangle, because hair wrapped around the vacuum brushes is honestly one of my biggest cleaning frustrations, because it's always here on my floor. So this makes cleaning so much better. This next feature is honestly one of the most satisfying parts for me. This has a built-in dust revealing light, which actually helps see dust underneath furniture. I didn't even realize how much dust was collecting under my sofas and my chairs until I used this. It definitely makes cleaning more thorough, which is amazing, because I do have different furniture pieces that does need light to where it can reveal the dust. That way I can see it and it can actually be cleaned. Another unique feature that I found was very, very different for me with the Dreame Z30 was this flexible adapter. I don't have to awkwardly bend down or constantly move furniture around with this adapter. It's easy to put on, and it's easy to maneuver around. It can reach underneath couches, and for me, my bed is one of those spaces where I don't have to bend up under my bed, get on my knees to actually clean up under my bed. So I think this adapter is such a heavy hitter when it comes to these vacuums, because it is just so good for anybody who may have had back issues or just like don't want to bend down. Like, this is so good. Now we're going to get into some different attachments that you can use around your house. The first one I'm going to use is actually this crevice tool, and I'm going to actually clean right behind my bowls that actually needed cleaned. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this. I love the fact that this vacuum actually works for more than just the floors. You can actually use your attachments as well. So I've been using these attachments for my corners, my furniture, my shelves, tighter spaces, and detail cleaning around my home. This actually makes cleaning feel quicker and more convenient, which is really good, especially when you work as much as I do. So this next attachment is actually going to be good for like desk, or if you want to use it to clean your keyboards. And I love the fact that it actually stretches out and it has like a hose attachment. So this is very, very nice. So we're going to actually go ahead and test it out on this desk real quick. And I'm liking how it's picking things up. Now let's get into some edge cleaning here. I do love the fact that when it comes to the Dreame Z30, it does clean your edges really nicely and very clean as well. So when it comes to edges, tighter spaces in your home, I do feel that the Dreame Z30 does take care of those areas quite nicely. As you can see, it's picking up things very efficiently and very quick as well. And once all your cleaning is basically done, it also has this HEPA H14 filtration, which helps trap fine dust and particles. You can actually see it inside of there. And emptying the dustbin is really simple with just one press release system. So I do love that. And it's just super easy and just very efficient. So my final thoughts on the Dreame Stick Cordless Vacuum Z30 is, I think what I appreciate most about it is how practical it is for everyday life. As someone with a busy schedule such as myself, I need products that genuinely simplify my routine. I don't want to drag a huge, heavy vacuum around every single time I need to clean. This feels more powerful while still being lightweight and easy to use. And honestly, having a clean space just makes everything feel better mentally. You guys know how I feel about having a clean space. It is truly a part of my brand and my lifestyle. So the Dreame Z30 is definitely going to help me keep things intact and just very tidy around the home. So I really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm just loving it so far. And just everything about it just aligns with me and my brand. So I am really grateful to have this vacuum now. And it's so aesthetic and it just matches my decor style as well. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Okay guys, so we are actually done cleaning the house. I love this Dreame Z30. This is absolutely perfect. And I love that it has the slots for your different attachments. It's at least like 3 down here. Love that. Love how it has the docking station and just everything. And just how it is very just intelligent. You know, quick little, like it's so good. Like I love this. Definitely love the fact that it has a 28,000 PA suction. I think that is amazing. Also with a 90-minute runtime, which is really good because sometimes I just want to like sweep my whole house. So that's perfect. And then the fact that it's actually cordless as well, that is just a great convenience. So I will have all links to the description to Dreame's website. I want you guys to tell me which feature stood out to you the most about the Dreame Z30. I'm loving it. It's definitely made things a lot more easier for me, and I love the fact that it's just all in one. It's just so many things you can do with it. Love the attachments, and it's very nice, very sleek, goes with my style. So yeah, I will have all links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's cleaning video featuring our new Dreame Z30. I want to thank Dreame for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, let me know which feature was your favorite and what part of the video was your favorite as well. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.